Today I'm gonna show you how to get the license in Russian car drivers. So let's begin the game. If you see, there is a cargo transportation. So I'm gonna pick up the cargo, which is very important. A lot of people ask how to get the license. They doesn't know how to get the license. If I can show you, I have already 4 licenses. Still 1 license left. So how to get the license is a very simple way. Go for the engine and have the buckle material. So you have to select buckle material and select special cargo. There is a special cargo. You need to find the nearest base where you can deliver the cargo. Where is the military base? Military base. This is the stuff is the lowest stuff. I'm gonna choose because when I select the horse and I drop the horse on the way. So I'm gonna choose this one. And military base is very near 6 kilometers. So pick up the cargo and ignition the engine and change the camera view. This is the best for me. And how to call for the fields, like the microphone. Here you can select the microphone, use the call and make a request. And here you can turn on and off radio. Okay, the navigation bar on my desk. Get the horn, turn on the radio. You have to remember 100% cargo stuff. Don't waste any. I have 6 boxes which is delivered to the military base, so I have to be careful. Okay, slow down. Look at that. Oh, it's nearly missed. Let's see. Look at the cargo stuff. They are jumping. If you drive falsely mid-drop the cargo and you cannot get the license, so you have to be very careful because there is up and down side. We'll promote with the movement on the cure, so you have to select and send answer about the weather. Okay, slow down, fast. I'm not sure that my fans are inside. Okay, I'll just slow down because if they give you there's a rock. Stop. Handbrake. You may lose the cargo if you not stop. So you have to be careful on it. Very smoothly. Don't be panic. My cargo is safe 100%. So I'm happy to see them because my screen is shaking, because that's why I save my cargo. Okay, slow down. Don't move too fast, you have a lot of time. You just need 3 minutes to read the new driver study professionally. Okay, because I save myself. Here's the one passing through. There's the road cross and the military base cross the road. Sorry for my bad English because I'm not good in English. Sorry for that. But you can understand. This is a very important thing. You need to know how to get the license. Rain is starting. You need to slow down. Don't panic. The one box is jumping. The map ball. If I take a single mistake, I have to be very smoothly. Very smoothly. So now words with the get the horn. Open the gate. There is a man who need a ride. Okay, be patient. I'm coming. She's ready. Oh, that's my goodness. Let's stop here. See, tape, information, like OK. You got a new license. Here's the message. I have got 5 licenses. Okay. I have got. Here's the option. Here's the game. Exit menu. Yes. Here's the loading game. If I can show you, you can see my license is 5 of 5, and I also hired 2 drivers. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed.